I love the car. I like the in-car camera, the cameras.
Yes.
I like the live streaming capability. I like the size of the tires because it offers off-road opportunity. I like the performance, the range. Everything about this car is conducive for me being successful with my project.
Tell me your project a little bit.
I am attempting to approach a tornado, and actually I was the first man to drive into a tornado. Did you see this?
Yeah,
And now I'm going to, wearing a ballistic outfit, take this car, approach a tornado, get out, and auger to the ground and walk into a tornado live. I want to live stream this on television. You will be able to watch this live on your phone
Wow,
or on
that's
your laptop
yeah.
because we'll do live streaming and an upload.
For doing that, you definitely need a very reliable car, right?
I need a reliable car with performance that has good range and all the abilities to stream so everybody can see this live, so there's no question it happened in real time.
Wow. Early of the time, you see our chassis. Can you
Yes.
tell the audience what do you see there?
I see high quality engineering. I see high quality materials. What appears to be T6061 aluminum on the belly pan. Most people are using a pressed plastic fiberboard. This is the first belly pan on the bottom that I've seen that is actually able to withstand the rigors of normal everyday environment on the streets.
Thank you. Tell me more about why you're doing this, okay?
Adventure.
Adventure, that's the life, right?
You need a vehicle to enjoy your adventure, and this is the vehicle that can transport me to where I want to go.